There are some people who voted for Trump because whether they liked him or not was almost irrelevant. They said, this man is speaking to me. And they said, well, Bernie Sanders sort of speaks to me as well. So then with that said, how do you think you would talk to a voter who didn't vote for Trump, or rather voted for Obama, then voted for Trump, and says, you know what, Bernie, I just want a better life? How would you speak to them to try to get them to change their votes?
Trevor, that is a great question. And there are millions of those people. And what I would say is I understand where you're coming from. I understand your disappointment in many respects with the Democratic Party, all right, who have not delivered the goods for you, whose policies in many areas have not been significant in terms of protecting working people. I got that, and you're right, okay? But then what I would say is you believed in Trump when he told you he was going to stand for the working families. He is a fraud and a liar, and you got to see that. He told you that he would drain the swamp, and yet he has appointed more billionaires to his administration than any president in history. He told you he would provide health care to everybody. Remember that, Trevor? Health care to everybody. He is trying today, continuing his efforts to throw 32 million people off the health care that they have. He said he would protect Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. Take a look at his budgets. Massive cuts to Medicaid, Medicare, and Social Security. Trump is a liar. He will say and do anything to get elected, but he is not to be believed, and I think if you look at his record, that becomes clear.